Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm Monkey, hi Paul. Today, just doing a little experiment. I'm going to be sowing some seeds in some Arthur Bowers multi-purpose compost, and also some, here we go, Miracle Grow premium all-purpose compost. As we come down here, some 10-litre Coca-Cola. So we're going to be seeing which one does the best. First of all, I shall get this set up first. Just need to, I've rehydrated some of this, which is great. So I'll just put this in here. Like so. I'll get the other compost done. So yeah, that's that done. So I've got Koya, I've got J. Arthur Bowers multi-purpose, and then I've got Miracle Grow premium all-purpose compost in the N3. So that's J. Bowers, Koya. Right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be showing these Arboretia Purple Cascade F1 Hardy Perennial. So you can sow these September, October, which is great. And it says here, if you can just read that, a Arboretia F1 strain of Arboretia offering new, neat plants, smoking flowers in rich purple shades from early spring onwards. Makes a bold display in beds, borders and rockeries, window boxes, or for edging paths and growing out of walls. And that is a beautiful, beautiful colour. So I cannot wait to get these sown. Using these in my little experiment, so which is best? I've got Coca-Cola, I've got, the second one is J. Arthur Bowers multi-purpose, and then the end one is Miracle Grow premium all-purpose. So I'm going to sow these in each one and find out which one grows the best. So I'll just get these open, if I can find my little knife. It's somewhere kicking about. Let's get these open. I got these because these were on offer. I think they were on special offer, which is great. Always like something that's on special offer. You get these open. So I always like to have a look at the seeds, see what we've got. There and there. You can just see those. Looking great. All he's doing now is just sprinkle up a few. Each one. And just cover it with a little bit of compost, it says. So when I water these in, they should water in really nicely. So I think I'll be alright not covering them. So I'll get these watered in, I'll get these covered, and then we'll see which actually comes out best, whether it's the Coca Peat, the Bowers, or the Miracle Grow. So yeah. If you've got any questions about anything at all in videos, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. Like videos, please subscribe. And thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.